Chamomile, a daisy-like flower belonging to the Asteraceae family, has been celebrated for centuries for its medicinal properties. Traditionally used in herbal medicine, chamomile is renowned for its calming effects and is commonly consumed as a tea. However, its healing potential extends beyond mere relaxation. In this article, we will explore the medical benefits of eating chamomile, supported by both traditional use and scientific research. Traditional uses of chamomile. Chamomile has been utilized since ancient times, with references dating back to Egyptian, Greek, and Roman civilizations. Traditionally, it has been employed for various ailments, including digestive issues, inflammation, and anxiety. The two most common types of chamomile used for medicinal purposes are German chamomile matricaria, chamomilla, and Roman chamomile, Chamomillum nobile. One of the primary traditional uses of chamomile is as a digestive aid. People have long consumed chamomile tea to alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort, including indigestion, bloating, and gas. This soothing herb is believed to relax the muscles of the intestines, promoting better digestion. Additionally, chamomile has been revered for its calming and sedative properties. It is commonly recommended for individuals suffering from anxiety, insomnia, and stress-related disorders. The act of consuming chamomile, whether in tea or as a supplement, serves as a ritual for many, creating a sense of tranquility and promoting relaxation. Scientific research on chamomile. Recent studies have provided substantial evidence supporting the traditional claims about chamomile's health benefits. One of the most notable findings is chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that chamomile contains several bioactive compounds, including flavonoids and terpenoids, which have been linked to reduced inflammation in the body. This makes chamomile potentially beneficial for individuals suffering from inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Moreover, chamomile has shown promise in promoting better sleep quality. A study published in the journal BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies found that participants who consumed chamomile tea experienced improved sleep patterns and reduced symptoms of insomnia. The calming effects of chamomile are attributed to its ability to bind to benzodiazepine receptors in the brain, mimicking the effects of anti-anxiety medications. Chamomile's benefits extend to its potential role in managing diabetes. Research has indicated that chamomile may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. A study in Molecular Medicine reports highlighted that chamomile extract could significantly lower blood glucose levels in diabetic mice, suggesting its potential as a complementary treatment for diabetes management. How to incorporate chamomile into your diet. Eating chamomile can be as simple as brewing a cup of chamomile tea. However, chamomile can also be incorporated into various dishes. Dried chamomile flowers can be sprinkled over salads, blended into smoothies, or infused into oils for culinary use. Chamomile supplements, including capsules and extracts, are also widely available for those seeking concentrated doses of its beneficial compounds. Conclusion. In conclusion, chamomile is more than just a soothing herbal tea. It is a powerful medicinal herb with a long history of traditional use and substantial scientific backing. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its ability to promote relaxation and improve sleep, chamomile offers a multitude of health benefits. By incorporating chamomile into your diet, you can harness its healing properties and enjoy a sense of well-being. As with any herbal remedy, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your health regimen.